Hey there, welcome back to Side Channel today.
It used to be called an elephant shrew, but now it's called by its African name of sengi. This is a female rufous sengi. And like all sengis, she's so active she's permanently hungry. To get all the food she needs, she has made an intricate network of trails that enable her to hunt her insect prey very efficiently. But these pathways have another important function when she meets her enemies. Having a map of these trails in her head can mean the difference between life and death. Not only has she outrun this reptile, she's outwitted him. And just as well, for she is a mother and has a youngster to care for.